In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. This is the holy month of Ramadan, and kachori is one of the most popular street foods people like to eat during iftar or breakfast. Let's see how to make it.
Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are dough. This is the same dough I prepared for the puri recipe. For the recipe, you can check the link in the description. Chicken 1 pound, black pepper 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon. You can adjust it to your taste. Red chilies half a teaspoon, finely chopped onion 2 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, green chilies 1 small chopped, sweet peas half a cup, water 1 cup, butter half a cup, vinegar 1 tablespoon, oil for deep frying. Now we will boil the chicken. Add 1 cup of water. Add your chicken, vinegar, black pepper and salt. Now let the chicken cook until the water dries out. In the meantime, we will prepare the dough. Now we will prepare the dough for kachori. Take your dough. Roll it. Roll it as big as you can. Now we will spread the butter on top. Your butter should be on room temperature so you can spread it easily. Spread it well on all of the dough. Now we will sprinkle some flour on the top. Then we will roll it like this. Roll it. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, then we will roll the dough again. After a couple of minutes, sprinkle some flour on the top and roll it again. Sprinkle some flour if needed. Roll it again. You have to do the same procedure 2 or 3 times. Now let it sit for 5 more minutes, then we will roll it again.
What's the reason of repeating the procedure?
To make the layers in kachori. Now we will roll the dough again. Sprinkle some flour on the top. whenever you feel that your dough is sticking, you can sprinkle the dry flour. Now we will let it rest in this position, then we will cut the portions for kachori. After 5 minutes, again sprinkle some flour on the top and roll it in the flour, and now we will cut the portions. I have made 6 portions out of this dough. The chicken is boiled, you can see, and it's well cooked. We will take it out and save the remaining water for the later use. The pan. Now we will prepare the filling. Take some oil, it's approximately 2 tablespoons of oil. Add ginger garlic paste. Cook it for a couple of minutes. When it turns golden brown, add onions. Saute the onion for 1 or 2 minutes. Then add green chili and red chili. Add sweet peas. Lower the flame and let it cook for 1 minute. In the meantime, shred the chicken, take the bones out and add it to the peas. Add all the chicken to the mixture. Now cook it for next couple of minutes on high flame. Now add the remaining broth we saved. And let it cook for next 5 to 10 minutes until your sweet peas are well cooked. Now cover the lid and lower the flame and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes until your sweet peas are done. After approximately 10 minutes, the sweet peas are ready. Now higher the flame and dry out all the water. Now you can see the oil is separating. All the water is dried out. Turn off the flame and let the mixture cool down for the filling. Now we will fill the kachoris. Take one of your portion, apply some dry flour, roll it, your edges should be thin, like this. Add filling in the center. Close it like this. Should be properly closed so it won't break during frying, and the oil can go in. And before frying, we will refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. After refrigerating an hour, now we will fry the kachoris. Traditionally, the kachoris are deep fried, but today I will also show you how to air fry the kachoris. For deep frying, I have already preheated the oil. It's not very hot. The flame is low, and we will keep the flame low because we have to cook the kachoris for at least an hour. Usually it takes 30 minutes each side for frying. After 30 minutes, I will turn the side and let it cook for another 30 minutes on low flame. After 30 more minutes, I will turn the side and increase the heat and cook it for next 5 minutes. Now the heat is on medium to high. After approximately 5 minutes, now you can see the kachoris are ready to serve. Now I will air fry the kachori. Spray some oil in the pan. Place the kachori. Spray some oil on the top. Put it back. I will air fry the kachori in 2 steps. In first step, I will cook it on 250 degree F for 20 minutes. And in second step, I will cook it for 350 degree F for 20 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Now I will turn the side.
Folks, be careful. Kachori will be very hot at this time. I don't know how Fiza touches such hot things with her bare hands.
20 minutes are done. I will cook it for another 20 minutes on 380 degree F. After 10 minutes, I will turn the side and spray some oil. After 40 minutes of cooking, air fried kachori is done and ready to serve. You can see.